Welcome to 7316 Capulin, Crest Drive. This beautiful home is located in the Park at Westlake subdivision in the city limits of Cary. Surrounded by amazing schools, parks, and tree-lined streets, this home is ready for new owners to add to its charm. Step into luxury with this custom gem. This home offers refined living in an established neighborhood with mature trees and a peaceful setting. As you enter, soak in the warmth and sophistication of the semi-open floor plan that seamlessly connects living spaces, with a cozy family room featuring custom built-ins and a gas fireplace. The heart of the home is the gourmet kitchen boasting granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large island for gatherings. The main floor also features a formal dining room for elegant dinners and a dedicated office space perfect for remote work. A guest suite with full bath complete the main floor. Upstairs, retreat to the owner's suite with a spacious walk-in closet and luxurious ensuite bath. 2 additional secondary bedrooms share a renovated Jack and Jill bath. The second floor also features a large laundry room, a bonus room with separate staircase, and a media room offering gathering spaces for all. Embrace outdoor living with a screen porch and stamped concrete patio, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. Enjoy ample storage, including a walk-up unfinished 3rd floor and an oversized 2-car garage. Community amenities include pools, playgrounds, and many social events.